how to buy Japanese Akita Inu token. So this token came under the symbol of GEI. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on about this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel. They include it too on their X account. As you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. This token, it's created 10 hours ago and it's increased by 200% in the last 24 hours and 12% in the last 5 minutes. So the liquidity here unlocked by 100%, as good as many investment in a safe place. This token is trending number 6 right now on the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana. So we're gonna open your funds wallet for that, and now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. It will be up here for a view. As you can see, click on it. So here, type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you receive the token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and now switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy GEI token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.